Alright, so these are all the tools you're going to need. Obviously, you're going to need halo headlights. And this is going to be the connection we're going to be connecting with the turn signals. So you should always have this is a 10 amp fuse box. If you don't have this with your kit, make sure to watch a video about how to install these, because if something goes wrong, you don't want to start on fire. You don't want stuff to get too hot, so make sure you have one of those. So then the next thing we're going to need are these wire crimpers. So these are for stripping the case on there and also for crimping. So it's like a 2-in-1. Then we have some different kinds of wire, and make sure it's the same gauge as this. And then we have some quick splices. So basically the purpose of these is you're going to have the hot wires basically that go to your turn signal, and it'll connect those. So you're going to need some of these to the same gauge. Then we have some connect plugs, connect P. I forget what these are called, but you will use this tool to crimp them, which we'll talk about later. So you're going to need a male end and a female end, and I think you're going to need 4 of these on each side. So, yep, 4. So we'll talk about that again. This is going to be a full video, and then we got some electrical tape, heat shrink. So this is when you heat this up, it'll kind of just collapse on itself, so it makes it tight. It's a good weather seal. And then we have some plastic tube, and then we have some other miscellaneous tools that you might need. So this is all the things you're going to need, and let's now get straight to the car. But we can't use this for our halo lights, so we have to redirect it down to here, because this is our turn signal light right here. So we have to figure out which of these wires are hot, but before that we need to wire where this is going to go, and this is the fuse box. We want to make this easily accessible. Alright, so now that we have our cables here with the connectors on the end, we're going to have to connect these up to here. So the way we're going to do that is there are 3 cables here. There is green, yellow, which I'm assuming is live, black, and then, oh, there's white, green too. So basically I'm going to turn the lights on one click, and we're going to test to see which one has the most voltage at the most stable or something like that. So let's go ahead, and I'm going to have my brother do that while I go turn it on while there's a motorcycle driving by. So yeah.
The sun should be setting now. I cannot walk on and fall to the ground. I keep looking up in search for a ray of light. Now stop to pretend there's nothing to find.
Our white cable here and our black cable. Now these are quick connectors. So you can see there's 2 slots in here. The outside slot is where we're gonna put in our cable. So we're gonna feed it in. Alright, so I almost made a huge mistake. So basically we need this 18 gauge. 18 to 14-ish, something around there. So this has got bigger holes in there, which is what you want. So but the concept's the same. Feed that in here, and I gotta look this up too, just to make sure I'm not screwing this up. Alright, so once you get your wires all the way hooked up here in this ultra professional job, you just hook up your wires, and we'll stuff that in, and then, yeah. Oh, you're turning the car on. Oh. Alright, so that's normal. I wish that was a bit more white, but it's okay. So that's the normal. Oh, wait a minute. There we go.